What's up everybody, Parker York Smith here. Welcome back to my channel. So I've been sick for the last week or so. Well, I'm finally kind of getting better. I went to the doctor yesterday for the first time in a long time, but it's been bumming me out because I really wanted to just be pumping out a ton of videos for you guys all throughout 2020, and it's been a rough start, but that's okay. We're recovering, we're feeling better, and we're gonna get moving now. Today, let's talk about that. We are gonna be unboxing 4 different shipments from Bespoke Post. They are today's video sponsor. For those of you who are not familiar with Bespoke Post, they are a subscription service that sends you a box every single month from all kinds of different categories, from lifestyle to fashion. You pick what fits best for you, and then they ship it to you. You sign up, you get an email with what's in the box and where it comes from. You've got 5 days to change your mind on colors, sizes. You can add extras to the box, or you can skip it altogether if it's just really not your style. Let's get to unboxing. I have no idea what's in any of these. I just said, ship me what you think would be cool. We'll see what it is. In the first one, ooh, I see some fleece. You know we love fleece. If you saw my trends video, I like this color. It's from Line of Trade. Not familiar with that brand, but I do really enjoy the design. Pullover style. It's kind of a dark burnt orange. It's got some zip pockets. Let's see if it goes all the way through. It does not, but that's okay. A little bit of nylon detailing around the outside of the collar there. Oh, it's like a two-tone. It goes all the way around. That's cool. I like that extra detail. This is a size large. Let's try it on, see how it fits. This feels nice. I really like the style. Big fan of this earth tone colorway during the fall and winter time, all the way up until the early spring, honestly. I'm a big fan of zipping it all the way up to the chin like that. I like the collar detailing, the two-tone like I said. Just a nice, reliable piece that you could wear very casually. You could wear it outdoorsy, very functional, very fashionable, and honestly, extremely comfortable. What do you guys think? Moving on. This is the aged box. Whatever that means, we'll find out in a second. These kind of things are just really cool because I love coming home from being out working or whatever, and there's something at your door because you forget that it's even coming. Oh, aged like whiskey. Got a bunch of information here. I'm not even gonna try to read that to you guys, but you can age a cocktail, you can age a single spirit, it's saying. Got some more boxes, whiskey glasses. So you put your drink in it, and then you just let it go on its own. That's cool, I like that. Also in here, we've got some burnt wood sticks. They wrap this very well. Oh, I see. So you put your whiskey or whatever it is you want to put in there, you put these in there with it, and then you let it age for a little while, and you've got a nice home smoked whiskey. I like that it's not all fashion stuff too, you know, because it's fun to get new clothes, of course, but having new things that you can keep in your apartment or your house or whatever that really make it your own, that you can feel excited about using, that's just as important as a new jacket. Box number 3. This one's long and narrow, as you can see. Oh, looks like the stickers came a little loose on that one, but this one we have the Weekender. So I guess I must have missed that in the first box, but it seems like they kind of throw in a little description for every box of what you can expect to see in there. And this is a beautiful canvas Weekender bag. It's got belt straps on the top, which is cool, as the closure. It's just a fun, interesting way. It's a little bit different than what you see from most modern bags. It feels very vintagey. It has like metal bars on the inside here, so it almost closes like an old school doctor bag, which is awesome. There's an interior pocket in here, which I believe has a shoulder strap. Yep. So if you're the type of person who goes on short weekend trips, or you just want to go with something that's a little bit different, this is that same line of trade brand from the fleece that I tried on earlier. And then additionally, some kind bars. Okay, cool, dig it. I really like this bag. I'm a big fan of mid-sized bags like this, especially because I'm always running around shooting different outfits and stuff like that. It works really well for me personally, but I think a mid-sized bag like this is really useful for everybody, even if you're just like going to the gym and using it, or you know, you're leaving town for a night or whatever and you don't want to have to bring a big old suitcase. A small bag like this works perfectly. And finally, box number 4. Ooh, I'm not even gonna tell you what's in here, but I'll give you a hint. It's my favorite thing to wear. Some of you will know what that is if you've been following for a while. Some of you won't, but you probably won't be that surprised when you figure it out in just a moment. The Soho. There you go. Wow, can't believe I just did that. Shoe the Bear. It's a like custom made box for this shoe. Get out of there. There we go. Oh, wow. I really like these. I love the sort of weathered feel. It's kind of an olive green suede with a hard brown bottom. Very stylish. This is an extremely versatile style of boot. Of course, we all know and love Chelsea's by now, but what kind of sets these apart, in my opinion, is the fact that they look like you've had them for a really long time, even though they just came out of the box. I'm really excited to try these on because I bet they're very comfortable. They're handmade in Portugal, guys. Come on. That immediately tells me that these are going to be good quality. So very into the look of these. Let's throw them on with some jeans, see how they fit. And there you go, 4 different months of shipments from Bespoke Post. Very impressed. Honestly, guys, if you are the type of person who doesn't like to shop, but you do want to look nice, or you don't have time to shop, services like this are really nice because, as I've been saying, you can just come home, there's a box at your door, you get to unbox something that someone else picked for you, and it's really exciting because it's like you're giving yourself a gift every single month. There is a promo code down in the description if you guys want to try out Bespoke Post for yourself. I would really recommend it. I'm very impressed with the quality of everything. This is super comfortable. I'm kind of sweating right now because it's very warm, which is good because that's what you want out of a fleece. Love these boots. And this is really cool too. I love these glasses. I can't wait to try these out at my place. And this bag is something that I'm definitely going to be bringing with me on my next short trip. Thank you so much. Go follow me on Instagram. Turn on post notifications so you guys can see all kinds of fun ways to style yourself in these things, as well as a bunch of other stuff. If you guys enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already, tell a friend about the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.